Why did the Sun King, Louis Roman XIV, turn against Nicolas Fouquet, his most devoted minister? The answer lies in a complex web of misfortune and envy that even the most powerful monarch could not escape. Fouquet's story is a cautionary tale about the dangers of overshadowing those in power. Despite his loyalty, Fouquet's ambition and opulence became his undoing. The Sun King, feeling threatened by Fouquet's grandeur, saw him as a rival rather than an ally. This tale of betrayal and downfall reveals the perilous nature of court politics. Law 10. Infection. Avoid the unhappy and unlucky. In the intricate dance of power, your network can either elevate you or drag you down. Surrounding yourself with negativity and misfortune can be your downfall, as these traits are contagious. Just as a single rotten apple can spoil the bunch, so too can one person's bad luck infect an entire group. In the ruthless world of power, maintaining a positive and successful circle is crucial. This law warns us to be vigilant about the company we keep. Meet Nicolas Fouquet, the ambitious finance minister of Louis Roman XIV, born in 1615. He was a man of immense talent, charm, and ambition, who dazzled the court with his wealth and influence. Fouquet's rise to power was meteoric, and he became one of the most influential figures in France. However, his fortune took a dramatic turn when he hosted a grand fête at his Chateau in Vaux-le-Vicomte in 1661. This event, meant to impress the king, instead sowed the seeds of his downfall. Fouquet's story is a testament to the dangers of attracting envy. Fouquet's downfall began with a lavish party intended to showcase his loyalty and resources. He spared no expense, hoping to secure his position and favor with the king. However, what he failed to recognize was the silent enemy of envy lurking in the shadows. The grandeur of the event only served to highlight Fouquet's wealth and influence, inadvertently making him a target. Envy, like a silent predator, can strike when least expected, turning admiration into resentment. Fouquet's miscalculation would cost him dearly. Louis Roman XIV, the Sun King, perceived Fouquet's extravagant display as a direct challenge to his authority. The king, feeling overshadowed by his minister's opulence, saw Fouquet not as a loyal servant but as a potential rival. In a swift and decisive move, Louis had Fouquet arrested and imprisoned for life, effectively removing the threat. This dramatic turn of events underscores the importance of understanding the delicate balance of power and the dangers of outshining those above you. Fouquet's fate was sealed by his inability to navigate the treacherous waters of court politics. Why does this law work? Misfortune and negativity can spread like a virus, infecting all those who come into contact with it. Just as a contagious disease can bring down the healthiest of individuals, so too can the negativity of a few affect an entire group. This law highlights the psychological impact of surrounding oneself with those who are perpetually unlucky or unhappy. Their mindset can seep into your own, dragging you down with them. It's a reminder to be cautious about the energy you allow into your life. People are naturally drawn to positivity and success, seeking out those who exude confidence and good fortune. Conversely, they tend to avoid individuals who seem cursed or perpetually unlucky. This instinctive behavior is rooted in self-preservation, as aligning with the successful can elevate one's own status. By distancing themselves from the unlucky, people protect themselves from potential downfall. This law serves as a reminder to be mindful of the company you keep, as it can significantly impact your own trajectory. In your career, it's crucial to align with those who uplift and inspire you. Seek out individuals who are positive, driven, and successful, as their energy can propel you forward. Avoid those who constantly complain or bring bad news, as their negativity can weigh you down. By surrounding yourself with positivity, you create an environment conducive to growth and success. This law encourages you to be selective about your associations, choosing allies who will help you achieve your goals. In a group chat or any social setting, steer clear of negativity and focus on constructive conversations. Engage with those who share solutions and ideas rather than just problems. By doing so, you foster a positive and productive environment that encourages collaboration and innovation. This approach not only enhances your own mindset, but also attracts like-minded individuals who can contribute to your success. Remember, the energy you project and absorb can shape your path. Avoid the unhappy and unlucky, for their misfortune can easily become yours. By choosing your company wisely, you protect yourself from the negative influences that can derail your progress. This law serves as a powerful reminder of the impact that others can have on your life. Surround yourself with those who inspire and motivate you, and you'll find that success is within reach. The company you keep is a reflection of your own potential. Remember, power is about the company you keep. The next law will reveal how to keep others dependent on you, ensuring your influence remains unchallenged. Stay tuned as we delve into the strategies that will solidify your position and enhance your power. By mastering the art of dependency, you can secure your place at the top. Join us next time to uncover the secrets of maintaining control and authority.